Exposing the overlooked secret in Viking survival. This is going to blow your mind. Forget big bonfires. The real trick was hidden in their homes. For centuries, people pictured Vikings huddled around massive fires, fighting off the brutal cold. But the truth? Their real survival weapon was insulation, not heat. Vikings built turf houses with thick earth walls, grass roofs, and tiny doorways, all designed to trap precious warmth inside. Every crack was sealed, every layer mattered. These homes turned the frozen ground into a natural heater. No modern tech, just raw ingenuity. Instead of battling the cold, they turned their shelters into thermal fortresses, preserving body heat like a secret stash. This is the forgotten principle of Arctic survival, and it changed everything. For more untold stories from the edge of history, subscribe to Barrage and Bushcraft.